Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into the world of hair restoration with the Capillus Plus Laser Therapy Cap. If hair loss is something you've been struggling with, whether due to genetics, thinning, or even a receding hairline, this could be an option worth considering. But does it really work as promised? Let's break down the facts. The Capillus Plus Laser Therapy Cap is a clinically proven device designed to stimulate hair follicles and promote regrowth using red light therapy. FDA-cleared for both men and women, it claims to tackle hereditary hair loss and thinning, which we know is a huge concern for many people. This cap uses 202 medical-grade laser diodes, which work in tandem to stimulate the scalp and revitalize your hair follicles, helping you achieve thicker, fuller hair over time. When you first put the Capillus Plus on, you'll notice its soft, silicone interior, which provides a snug, comfortable fit. The Laser Flex technology is designed to contour to your scalp for maximum coverage, ensuring that every part of your head gets the therapy it needs. The cap only requires 6 minutes per day, making it super easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Personally, I found it very convenient. It doesn't feel like a huge time commitment, and the comfort level is a pleasant surprise. No tightness or discomfort from wearing it at all, even when using it for longer periods. Now let's talk about performance. As with any hair treatment device, results will vary depending on your individual circumstances. I tested the Capillus Plus for a few weeks, and while hair regrowth is a gradual process, I noticed a slight improvement in thickness and volume around my temples and the crown of my head. The device doesn't promise instant results. This is about long-term use and consistency. So you need to commit to the 6-minute daily sessions to see the benefits. What I appreciate about the Capillus Plus is that it offers a non-invasive, low-maintenance solution to hair regrowth. Unlike topical treatments or oral supplements that you need to apply or ingest daily, this is hands-free. You can wear the cap while watching TV, reading, or working, which is a huge plus for busy people like myself. But there are a few things to consider. One downside is the price. At its current cost, this is an investment. While the technology is impressive and FDA-cleared, not everyone may find it within their budget. Additionally, if you're expecting overnight results, you might be disappointed. The effects are subtle and require time, so patience is key. If you're exploring alternatives, there are other red light therapy caps on the market, some at a lower price point. But the Capillus Plus stands out in terms of its medical-grade diodes, comfort, and the fact that it's FDA-cleared. If you're looking for something more affordable, brands like iRestore or Hair Max also offer red light therapy caps, though they may have fewer diodes or different design features. On the topic of customer service, I've heard nothing but good things about Capillus. Their customer support is based in the USA, which means you get quick responses and support if you have any questions or concerns. The device is assembled in an ISO 13485 compliant facility, which adds an extra layer of confidence in terms of quality. As for the longevity of the product, red light therapy is known to be effective over the long term, and since the Capillus Plus only requires minimal maintenance, just make sure to clean the cap periodically. I expect it to last quite a while with consistent use. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. To wrap things up, I think the Capillus Plus Laser Therapy Cap could be a solid option for anyone serious about treating hereditary hair loss or thinning. It's not a miracle cure, but with patience and regular use, you might see real improvements. Just be prepared to make that upfront investment and keep in mind that results take time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share your own experiences if you've used this product. Drop a comment below and let us know how it worked for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.